Health tech innovation in the United Arab Emirates. Why foreign startups struggle and how to win in the Make It in the Emirates era.
We've just launched in the United Arab Emirates.
Emily and Raj had done it. U.S. founders, a brilliant health tech platform, and now a UAE trade license. But weeks passed, no traction, no partners, no calls.
Did we just spend $50,000 to exist?
Here's the truth for all those we are like Emily and Raj. Incorporation is administrative. GTM is strategic. You need more than a free zone license. You need to know where to play, how to comply, and who to trust. With a local plan, regulatory clarity, and partnership-first thinking, they didn't just open, they landed. And we keep telling founders this message. At the heart of breakthrough health tech innovation is not just invention, but execution. That's where the strategic alliance between MariamTek and 360 Disruption comes in. MariamTek brings over 2 decades of healthcare venture building, from diagnostics to regenerative medicine. 360 Disruption is our bridge to the Gulf, leading licensing, approvals, and on-ground rollout. 2 names, 1 mission. Let's make it in the Emirates. The right way. When you are like Emily and Raj and aim to launch your health tech company in the United Arab Emirates and wish to scale fast, we are here for you to help you disrupt with innovative, high-impact strategies. Contact us to learn more.